Now let's take a look at the Tasks section. This is your master task list, where every task you've created is stored in one convenient place. Across the top, you can quickly filter your list to show all tasks, unassigned tasks, assigned tasks, completed tasks, or archived tasks. If you've assigned categories to your tasks, you can also filter by category to quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've completed several tasks, you have two options. If you'd like to keep a record of them, simply click Archive Completed Tasks. If you no longer need them, click Clear Completed Tasks to remove all completed tasks from your list. To create a new task, simply click New. Although this is the main place to create tasks, it's not the only place. Throughout the planner, you'll find several convenient ways to add a task. In the yearly view, simply hover over any day and click the plus sign. In the monthly view, you can either click the Add button on the right-hand side or right-click on any day. In both the weekly and daily views, you can use the Add button or the quick add fields built into each day. No matter where you create a task or appointment, everything is connected. It automatically appears wherever you've chosen to display it, so you only need to enter it once. When you choose to create a new item, you'll first be asked whether you'd like to create a task or an appointment/event. At first, you might wonder why there are two different options. A task is something you need to complete, like picking up groceries, calling the insurance company, or changing your furnace filter. An appointment or event is something that's scheduled to happen at a particular date or time, such as a doctor's appointment, birthday, anniversary, meeting, vacation, or dinner with friends. While they serve different purposes, they work together throughout the planner. Both can appear on your calendars, both can be categorized, and both stay synchronized across the planner. You simply choose the option that best fits what you're adding.